Hello. Yes, I'm with you today again from Mass Clinic International, and I want to present a very important topic to all students everywhere: how to write mathematics examination once and score distinction in it. Because a lot of students have challenges in writing mathematics examination. Some have written the exam several times and they have not been able to score the grade that they are looking for. And that's why today I'm here to present to you how to write mathematics examination once, one time, so that you can score distinction. Okay, the first thing I want to give to you today is adequate preparation. Nothing can replace the place of adequate preparation. If you want to score distinction, prepare well ahead for all topics in the syllabus. Because some students will say, I like this topic, I like this topic, I don't like that topic, I don't like that topic. So I want to prepare. If this one comes out, I will do it. If the other one comes out, I will not take it. No, you are already planning for failure in mathematics. Don't do such a thing. Prepare for all topics in the syllabus. There is no topic that is so difficult or so hard. Do you understand? So, while you are preparing, when we say adequate preparation, besides studying all topics, work through a lot of past questions in that mathematics examination you are preparing for. Now, there are a lot of past questions and they cover different topics. So, solve enough past questions before the examination time. Do you understand? So that in the hall, you will discover that no question will be strange to you. So adequate preparation is the number one reason for you to score distinction in mathematics. Number two, you see, your examiners are looking for something. So you must be sure to find out, read the question very well to find out what the examiner is actually looking for. Read the question very well to know what the examiner is asking. Don't do what you like. Do what the examiner is saying you should do. For example, let me give you an example. Look at this question on the screen. If x plus y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 2y is equals to 10, find the value of 2y. Now, if you solve these two equations simultaneously, you will get y to be 3. If you are in a hurry to go to the next question, you may select y is equals to 3 as the correct option. And in that case, you have failed the question because it did not ask you for y. What is y? Or what is x? It's asking you to find the value of 2y. So after getting y, you need to multiply y by 2 as to get the value of 2y. So check your answer and try to check it along with the question the examiner is asking you. Do you understand? Then another thing is this: when examiner are asking you questions in mathematics, there are some questions they didn't come with diagrams, but you need to draw diagrams to illustrate your answer. Example, in longitude and in latitude, see, the examiner will not tell you to draw a diagram, okay? But they will put the question to you. It is your duty to know that this type of question requires a diagram. So it's not only in longitude and latitude, it all depends on the way the question comes. You need to know how to illustrate your answers with certain diagrams. So that is number two. You must know what the examiner is looking for. So read the question very well as to understand it. Do you understand? Before you go on to the next question. Now, I want to tell you about 3 reasons. Listen to this. Some students, they leave the mathematical formulae they should put inside their brain, inside the 4-figure table, or what we call the mathematical and statistical table. No, you see, the mathematical and statistical table is given to you, is allowed in your examination in mathematics. But that does not mean all formulae must be left inside of it. The time you use in opening the table to check for the formula of the volume of a cone, the volume of a cylinder, the volume of a cuboid, the volume of this or that, or the area. Do you know some people check the four-figure table for the formula for the area of a circle? No, there are certain formulae that must be in your brain. You save time by having them in your brain. Now listen to this. Studying does not kill, and you don't need to cram the formula. By solving past questions and by studying your textbooks, you can master the mathematical formulae that you need in your brain. So while others are checking the mathematical table or the statistical table for basic formulae, you are already producing it, and you are going ahead. Such students who keep formulae inside his or her brain can easily score distinction in mathematics. Don't forget this point. And in addition to it, I want to tell you this, because I was watching one student writing mathematics exam, and she was using calculator to find the value of 3 times 5. 3 times 5 calculator should not be used for such a thing. All mathematical tables, multiplication table, all multiplication tables up to multiplication 12, 13, 14, even 15. It's not simple for you. Put these things inside of your mind and inside of your brain. Then you will see the power of study. Your brain becomes sharp, your brain becomes electrical, and you can easily study mathematics. If you are saying mathematics is difficult, it's because you are lazy. Do you understand? If you are not lazy, I challenge you. Put all multiplication tables up to 15 or even up to 20 side of your brain. Your brain is designed to accommodate all these things. Don't underrate your brain. Do you understand? So this point number 3, don't forget it. You should be able to put certain mathematical formulae, theorems, and tables inside of your inside of your brain. Now, I want to give you another point that can enable you to study mathematics and decision it. Now, listen to this. Your examiners are testing your accuracy and your speed. They are testing your accuracy and your what? Exactly. They are testing your speed. Now, to be fast in mathematics, you need to have the facts of mathematics. The facts of mathematics helps you to be fast. Okay? Now, you should not only be fast, but you should be accurate. Do you understand? So, listen, when you are fast by the facts of mathematics that you store in your mind and in your brain, you will discover that a question paper where examiners are giving you 90 minutes to do, you can easily spend only 50 minutes. Then you save your time. You go over your job again. Don't be in a hurry to submit your paper when you are through. Yes, by putting facts in your brain and you become fast in working mathematics, then when you are through, because you have some time extra, then you can go through your paper before submission. Do you understand this? Now, I want to tell you another thing that can make you make decision in mathematics. Now, that's it. Listen to this. Each time you make a claim, you must give the reason. So, in using theorems in mathematics, because theorems, you use them answering so many questions in angles, especially concerning triangles and circle problems. So, in using theorems, anytime you use a theorem to open a question, to make a claim, you must write the theorem. Although you don't write it in full, you must tell the examiner that it is this theorem you use. Let me give you an example. If you claim that angle R or angle S in this shape here is 90 degrees, you must tell the examiner the theorem you are using. Because I'm sure you are using the theorem that says the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So you write it beside the answer that you give. I'm talking about theory mathematics now. So anytime you use a theorem, don't forget, if you don't want to lose some precious marks, then make sure you tell the examiner the theorem that you are using. This implies that all theorems should be in your brain. Is it not? Okay, so take your time to learn the theorems that you should master. Now, another thing I want to talk about that can help you score distinction cheaply in mathematics is the use of mathematical connectives. What are mathematical connectives? Look, when presenting your answers in theory mathematics, try to use such words as given that, such as, similarly, also, therefore, but, when, consider. These words are very powerful in mathematics. Something like this implies that. You can use arrow to signify this implies that. Then therefore, you know the symbol of therefore already. Now, use these things. Don't miss them out when you are solving theory mathematics. Examiners are happy to see mathematical connectives, especially when you use a diagram. You draw a diagram. You can tell the examiner, consider the diagram above. Or you can say, in the diagram below, it all depends on where you put the diagram in your answer paper. Then another thing you should not overlook is the use of mathematical symbols. Somebody will write 40 degrees as 40. No, you are not a perfect student. If you want to say 40, say 40. If you want to write 40 degrees, write 40 degrees. There is a symbol. Look at this. Look at this. 40 degrees is different from 40. Do you understand? Then how come some students even solve questions or equations and something like that? They don't even put the equality symbol. Don't take such things for granted. That or those things are very, very important. Do you understand? I'm going to see you scoring your distinction in mathematics in the next exam that you are going to write. So, listen to this. Another point I want to let you know. Don't be looking sideways, or be giraffe trying to see what is in the paper of the other person. No, don't copy others. Don't look sideways. Kill distractions in writing examination. Be focused and concentrate on the questions or on the paper you are writing on. That is how to easily make distinctions. A student that studies properly for examination can, especially mathematics, look, you can't be talking of C or even B. You are an A student. There is no student that is not an A student in mathematics because the subject is so simple. So consider the things I've mentioned to you today. Don't forget them because I'm going to stop here, but I'd like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that each time we upload new videos, you can always be notified. Okay? Don't forget, but remember these things on the screen. What I have just told you concerning scoring distinction in mathematics, you can.